One trend that has been growing popular on YouTube now is channel automation. Instead of using YouTube videos specifically for entertainment or to easily make your voice heard, the automation model focuses on creating viral automation videos to generate passive income. That simply means the more views your video gets, the more money you earn from ads displayed on your videos. You can also make money with your videos through affiliate marketing, sponsored videos, merchandise, or even your own products. We all know that one of the main reasons that put people off from making videos on YouTube is showing their face on camera. All that has led to YouTube automation, what some people choose to call cash cow channels. In this video, we are going to be looking at how automation is changing the game for creators here on YouTube. Hi there, I'm Winston from TubeMechanicsNotes.com, and in today's video, I'm quickly going to walk you through the process of making and monetizing a cash cow channel on autopilot. We'll kick things off by looking at what an automated cash cow channel is, the pros and cons, and how to start one on YouTube from scratch. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you are interested in starting, growing and monetizing a YouTube channel without showing your face or making the videos from scratch, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Cash cow channels are basically YouTube channels built with the sole purpose of getting more views and making as much money as possible from the views. Many creators now prefer this type of channels because they don't have to show their faces on camera and all the hard work of growing the channel can easily be outsourced. Once the channel is finally monetized, YouTube will start paying you for every 1,000 views through AdSense. You know those annoying ads that appear before, during, or after a video on YouTube, right? The truth is, many YouTube creators now have more than one channel simply because they don't have to show their face, record their voices, or even make the videos themselves. Here is an example of an automated channel, and as you can see, the videos are basically a collection of video clips and a voiceover. So with this type of videos, you don't need to show your face, and the video creation part of it can easily be outsourced, so you can start making money on YouTube without necessarily making the videos yourself, which then makes the channel an actual business, a cash cow channel instead of a personal channel. Now, the only disadvantage of this kind of business channel is the fact that you need money to get started with. You see, when you start outsourcing the videos you create on your channel, you need to start paying for the following. You need to start paying for video scripts, recorded voiceovers, video editing, and in some cases, video thumbnails as well. Realistically speaking, you should expect to pay anywhere from $20 for a low quality video to way over $250 for a quality one. And even if you have the money to outsource for low quality videos, it's still going to cost you a lot of money. The thing is, before YouTube start paying you for the ads displayed on your videos, you first need to meet the YouTube monetization requirements. That means your channel first needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you are thinking of outsourcing your video creation, you might also want to work out how much you'll be willing to pay before the channel is monetized. However, if you choose to include affiliate marketing as you grow the channel from day one, you can easily start making money right off the bat to pay for outsourcing your video creation. That way, when your channel finally gets monetized, you will have two money streams instead for doing the same amount of work. Now, what if you don't have the money to outsource your cash cow channel, but you still want to create one from scratch? Here is how to start a cash cow channel from scratch without spending a dime. First of all, just like any successful YouTube channel, you first want to decide on the niche you want to base your channel on. There are literally thousands if not millions of different niches. However, when it comes to a YouTube cash cow channel, the most popular ones to go with is the wealth and entertainment niches. Examples of such niches will be the top 10 or top 5 least types of videos in different niches. You also have the luxury types of niche cash cow channels under the wealth or money making niche. So all you have to do is go through the different niches and look the different types of videos created in each niche and see which types of videos you can easily create. And after deciding on your niche, the next step is finding an affiliate product that is related to your channel niche. So if you decide to make a channel under the wealth niche, for example, you could go over to an affiliate network like ClickBank, which is free to join, and find products that have to do with making money fast online and start recommending it either in your videos or simply including the link in your video description. ClickBank of course has many products to offer in many different niches, and you hardly go without a product in your niche or related niche to recommend and share in your videos. That way, you'll be able to also start earning some pretty decent money from sharing the product link in your video description or creating a video around the particular product. I've also included a link to a short playlist below this video on how to join and find top products on ClickBank. Now, assuming you have already decided on your niche and you have also found a product to promote as an affiliate, the next part is coming up with a video script and creating the video itself. Now, like I already mentioned before, this is the most outsourced part in the process of starting and growing a cash cow channel. And as we have already seen, it costs a lot of money. However, if you don't want to outsource this part, you can also do it yourself if you have the right tools. Remember here that we are talking about automating the whole process yourself. So when it comes to creating the video, you will need a video editor. Video editing tools like the Vietnamese tool or my favorite, the Swarm software, are all examples of video editors depending on the type of video you want to create. The Vietnamese software, for example, is incredibly simple to use and it only takes a few minutes to create your videos. All you have to do with the Vietnamese video editor is copy and paste the video script of the video you want to create into the software, and the Vietnamese tool will use its built-in artificial intelligence to read your video script, and it will use the script to create a full video for you automatically. And if you still don't like any part of the video, you can simply edit it out. The only problem with the Vietnamese tool is that you need to pay a monthly fee, although you can get it for free for the next 7 days through the link below this video. An alternative to the Vietnamese tool will be the Swarm Video Editor, which is a one-time paid fee of just under $20. The Swarm Video Editor is very simple to use. It comes with a trimming feature which will help you add and trim your cash cow videos without any technical difficulties. The Swarm tool also comes with a recording feature that you can use to record your video script or just a voiceover for the video clips you are putting together. Basically, this is an all-in-one YouTube automation video editor. Just check out what you can do with this tool when it comes to creating videos fast for your cash cow channel.
Hi, welcome to the demo video of Swarm. This is the software that allows you to create highly trending and viral YouTube videos without having to show your face on camera or creating any video, or rather without having any knowledge of video creation. So let me show you how this software works. Right now I'm in the dashboard of the Swarm, and here we have one option called Create Campaign. So click on Create Campaign, your campaign name. So let's put cute dog videos. Now you can search for the keywords. So search for cute dog videos, and then software pull entire data and analysis of particular keywords in this niche. So you can see it shows you keyword, traffic source, difficulty rank, how many search results for the particular keyword, and entire analysis. Then you can choose on the basis of difficulty rank which keyword you would like to target. So let's go ahead with this one. So here green means it's very easy for you to rank the video. So let's go ahead and target this keyword, cute dog videos funny. Click here on search videos, and now it will show you videos available on YouTube that are ranked for the particular keywords. Now let's say if you want to use this video, so click here on select video for compilation. Then here is one that you want to add, and this is the third one. Once that is done, you can click here on create data. Meanwhile, you will also be able to export entire video data analysis, like how many views this video has got, how many likes, what are the dislikes, comments, everything you can export, and you can use this data while uploading your video on YouTube. So we'll see that later, but just go ahead and create video for now. So here are these 3 videos that we have already selected. Now we can trim the video as per our requirement. So let's go ahead and trim this video. So from here to say here, I want to trim this video, so I will click on trim video. Now software will go and trim the video. Now that is done, let's go ahead and trim the second video. Now let's edit this second video. So let's edit it from here to here and click on trim. So here you have second video, and now let's go ahead and edit the third one as well. So I will go edit it from here to here. Alright, so we have edited all 3 videos. Now let's go ahead and create a video. So software will go and compile all these 3 trimmed part of different videos and create a complete video. It takes some time. Once that is done, you will get notification in your email, or you can go and check out your video status in dashboard here. So now it's working on it. Once that is done, it will show you. So now you can see the video is ready. Now we have to add intro and outro. So let's create intro and outro here. So if you want to add intro and outro, you can do it from here, or else you can skip this step. So let's add intro. Awesome cute dog video. Let's change the background color. Let's change the font size. Font color. You can also change the font family and everything basically that you want. You can do here with the background color, font size. Now let's create outro similarly. Let's say subscribe to my channel. Again, let's change. You can change the background color if you want from here. Change the font color, and you are done. So you are done with the second step. You can click on generate video. Once that is done, again system will let you know in the dashboard. So you can see here the video is ready. You now can add subtitle and audio. So for audio, you can choose our preloaded open source audio files. You can select it from here, okay, or maybe this one. So let's add this one. Now that is done. If you want to record your voiceover, you can do it from here as well, and you can add subtitles. So say here you want to add subtitle till 10 seconds. Here again, if you want to add it up to 30 seconds, you can do that. And similarly, you can keep on adding it till your video ends. Now, once that is done, you just have to click on generate video, and your video is done. So in 3 simple steps, you have created a video using others' existing videos. You can now import your tags, you can import other data like description, and create your YouTube video, and you are ready to upload your video once the compilation of this entire video is done. So now system is working in the background, and it's compiling the videos and adding subtitles and adding background music and everything. Once that is done, you will get notification in your dashboard or in your email, and you are ready to upload your video on YouTube. So I just want to show you the existing video demonstration. This is the video. This is how video looks like. I have created one for cute dog keyword. Now when your video is ready, you can go here and upload on YouTube or Vimeo, and when you are uploading it on YouTube, system will prompt you with the most relevant keywords and description. You can upload your thumbnail from here as well. So it's a complete system, right from doing research for highly trending videos on YouTube. It creates videos and it also adds relevant tags and relevant description, and you can upload the video right from the system on YouTube. So it's a complete system in itself. That is how Swarm works. Thank you.
Now, if you think you would like to check out any of the tools mentioned in this video, then you'll find the links in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.